beautiful aloe vera hair mask with 2 eggs. So stay tuned in this video and you will see everything and how I did it. And if you want to do it, just try it. It's going to be good for your hair. And yeah, and also I'm going to be trying to do more aloe vera videos, like for your skin and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I will be making aloe vera hair mask, and stay tuned. First, you're going to start off with cleaning your aloe vera leaf, and then you're going to cut the sides and cut them into squares. So first things first is you're going to start by cutting off the tip. And my counter is clean. I don't have a cutting board at this moment, so I'm gonna use my counter to cut my aloe vera. But if you have a cutting board, use that because you don't want to mess up your counter. But I really don't care, so whatever. And now it's cut. Now you're going to cut the ends off. And then after you cut all the ends, you're going to cut thinly . Look at those juices. Okay, I need to get a plate. Two more left, so I'm just gonna cut this and I'll be back. So everything is cut, sliced. Now you're going to scoop it and put it into a bowl. So before I put it in the blender, 2 eggs and aloe vera for the hair mask. So let's blend that up without making a dang mess. Okay, so the hair mask is all done. It's foamy, it's slimy, and it's gonna go in my hair. Coming soon will be the next video of when I put the aloe vera in my hair.
Thank you.